What a rare opportunity so close to the university. We're just blocks away from campus, steps away from the university bus stop. We have 2 newly built homes. Each home is just over 1,400 square foot. It's 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and plenty of off-street parking. Let's go take a look. This is the perfect location. Imagine being able to walk to and from football games from your house while all the other fans are stuck in traffic. Also, you're close to restaurants, shops, and the Greenway Trail, which you could pretty much walk, run, or ride your bike anywhere in town.